Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are making some awesome Italian smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's go! So this recipe is very simple but very delicious. So we're just gonna get right into it. We've got our Blackstone fired up on medium to high heat. Really get that heat going. We have some beautiful bell peppers. We have red, orange, and yellow bell peppers that we're gonna get on this flat top right away. So let's get these on. We gotta get these cooking because these are gonna take longer than the meat itself. So for these Italian smash burgers, we're actually using Italian sausage, and this is homemade Italian sausage that I've personally made. If you want to see a video on that, go ahead and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how I made this Italian sausage. I have a pound of Italian sausage here, and I'm gonna make these into 4-ounce balls, and it's gonna be rough. I'm not gonna spend too much time trying to make sure that they're all accurate. And we're not gonna get too hung up. If it's 3.5, 4.5, that's perfect. So that's right at 4.1. .8, and we're right there. We're gonna loosely roll these up because you don't wanna make them too compact, because when you do smash them, you want some holes and everything to permeate so that heat goes all the way through and it cooks nice and you get a good char on them. So we have our 4 balls ready to go. Put those off to the side for now. Now it's gonna be a real simple burger. We're gonna smash these down. We're gonna take some of this fresh mozzarella cheese, melt it over the top of it. We're gonna hit it with the bell peppers, and we're gonna season it with some of your favorite marinara sauce. So let's get some of this fresh mozzarella cut up. I prefer the fresh. I think it tastes better, it melts better. It's just really awesome. We've got the veggies cooking. We have the burgers rolled up. We have the cheese sliced. Time to get our buns ready because we are gonna toast buns, and today we're using Hawaiian buns because I think that sweetness really goes well with the savory of the Italian sausage, the sweetness of the marinara and the peppers. I think it works well together. So we're gonna go ahead, open these up, get a little butter spread, whatever you wanna use, butter, margarine. I like this squeeze stuff, it goes really well. Give these a quick smash together. Now let's move over to the griddle and get everything moving. So we have some of our favorite marinara sauce in a bowl here. We're gonna use this to put a little bit on the peppers, but we're also gonna use it at the end to season our bun and patty. So we want to get this warmed up, so I'm just gonna throw it right here on the griddle as well. Now while we got the peppers cooking and our marinara warming up, I'm gonna toast these buns and then put them off to the side until we're done cooking everything. Give our buns a little toast. Buns have been on for a little bit. Let's take a look. They're probably ready to pull off. Oh yeah, looking perfect, perfect. Let's keep these off to the side. These peppers are getting close, so I'm just gonna hit them with a little drizzle of that marinara sauce just to give it a little more flavor and texture. Give her a quick mix here. Those peppers and the marinara sauce smells amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and get these burgers on and smash them because these peppers are almost done. Let's go. Gonna let that sit for a minute and then we're gonna smash it. Have my parchment paper ready. I'm gonna put the parchment paper on top, smash it down because the meat won't stick to this like it would stick to the press here. If you try doing it with the press only, you're gonna have a mess trying to pull it apart. So let's go smash some Italian sausage. Now, I'm not gonna season these Italian sausage patties with anything because they're really heavily seasoned already by being sausages. If they were plain pork or plain beef, then I'd be hitting it with salt, pepper, or whatever other seasonings you'd like with your burger. So we're gonna let these cook. You'll see it start to get juicy on the top of the burger. That's when you know it's time to flip. We'll be back when it's time to flip these. We have some juice starting to form around the top of the patty, so now I'm gonna give them a flip. Man, those look good. Those have that perfect sear on there that we're looking for. We're gonna let these cook a minute, and then I'm gonna put that mozzarella cheese on there. God, this is gonna be good. These have cooked another minute or two. I'm gonna put the mozzarella cheese on top, cover it up, and let it get nice and melty. Just cover it with an aluminum pan, and that's gonna keep that moisture that's coming out there, and that's gonna really help melt that cheese. So we'll be back in a second when it's time to pull these off. It's been another minute or two. Let's remove the pan, see if that cheese is melty. If it is, it's time to pull it off. Oh yeah, beautiful, melty. Oh, this is gonna be good. So I'm just gonna pull it off, put it right in the pan here. Then we're gonna pull the rest off and go build these burgers. So let's get back to the table and build this. Everything's done, let's build this burger. First I'm gonna do a little of this marinara sauce on the bottom bun here. Just to get a little saucy in there. Then, you know I gotta make mine a double. So we're gonna put one patty, two patties. Gonna put these awesome peppers on here. And finish it off with a little bit more of that marinara. Now that's a fine looking burger. Let's give this bad boy a shot. It has to be good. Italian sausage, peppers, mozzarella cheese, King's Hawaiian, red sauce. Oh man. I love Italian sausage sandwiches. I like it in my spaghetti, pasta, whatever, but this is taking it to another level here, making it like a burger. You gotta try it at home. Just go get some Italian sausage from your grocery store. If it's cased or loose, take it out of the casing, throw it on the flat top, make some burgers, mozzarella cheese, bell peppers, marinara sauce. Simple, easy, not many ingredients, doesn't take a lot of time, and you get a fantastic meal out of it. Make sure you try it. If you try it, let me know how it goes for you. You can check me out on social media, and if you like what we did here, please give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all for checking it out. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.